Full transparency. I read every comment I get from you guys. Sometimes I have time to respond, sometimes I don't. I also read all my Amazon feedback. Now, what am I talking? Jason, what are you talking about? We don't know what you're talking about. I am talking about the product I sell on Amazon. It's called Maskbrite. Please don't click off. Well, maybe click off if you don't care, but if you do care, I sell a product on Amazon called Maskbrite. Now, in the feedback section, you'll see tons, and I mean tons of comments. This product, Maskbrite, is the bomb. It's the bomb. I love it. It's great. We love it. Best product ever. Cleans like a breeze. Love it. And it is also matched with these comments.
Hey, Jason, the sprayer sucks. Nice product, crappy sprayer. Cheap sprayer. I hate your sprayer. Get a new sprayer, Jason. What's wrong with your sprayer?
I see them all. And every now and then, I get an email that says,
hey, I see you know there's a problem with your sprayers, but you're not doing anything about it. Why don't you care about us? I spent my hard-earned money. I can't afford this. You screwed me. You owe me!
And then I refund them and they're like, oh, thanks. So here's the deal with that. I see those comments. I've been desperately trying to improve on the product. You guys like the product? I leave the product alone. You guys are saying crappy sprayers. So I've actually changed sprayers like five times in the last 2 years. I burn through them. I see if there's a problem. Crap, try a new supplier. Crap, new supplier. Finally, I got to the point I said, you know what? Let me try something else because I'm gonna tell you, the sprayers I have now, you might call them cheap sprayers. They're not cheap sprayers. They're hella expensive. I'm trying to make this product as good as I can. So this is full disclosure. So I've just tried a brand new process. I've added a whole nother process, this filtration process, because I have a feeling there's stuff that's coagulating and getting stuck in there and that's causing the sprayers not to work. You can take any sprayer and jam a bunch of crap in it. It's not gonna work. So I've added a new filtration system. Look at this. So we have Monday, February 7th. Let this be the day of reckoning. Starting today, I am only selling this through Amazon. I am only selling 3-packs. I wanna see if this actually works. So if you bought Massbrite before February 7th, I don't care. I know there's a problem. Leave me alone. Everything February 7th and beyond, if you've ordered it, I would love, please help me out. Give me your feedback. The sprayers are great. The sprayers suck. I wanna know, leave it in this video. I wanna know if it's working or not. As an added bonus, I'm selling the 3-packs. They're all coming from me. I wanna leave these as tamper-proof as possible. So you're gonna be getting 3 of these sprayers. They all look like that, okay? I'm gonna be adding another one in there in case these fail. Now it's hella expensive. I'm not kidding you. It's costing a lot of money. I wanna figure this out. If these don't work with the new filtration process, you have a different sprayer that it's a bigger spray. Nothing should get caught in that one. It should be fine, okay? So you get a little added bonus. Go on to Amazon, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. That's the only place you can buy it for now. I appreciate you guys asking me where it is. When's it gonna be back? I've been trying to let it run out so that I know everything from this point forward has been filtered. That's my thing. I know it's a big ask. So if you've ever bought Amazon and you'd consider buying it again, which I know there's a lot of repeat customers, you can just get it from Amazon, the 3-pack at this time. If you've never tried Massbrite, it's a great little product. I'm gonna be honest, you don't need it. Hot soapy water works just fine. This is meant to be more of a convenience thing. It's supposed to make it much faster, much easier. Just spray. It dissolves oils, grease, and then you just rinse it off. And then hopefully you have a hurricane dryer, you can dry it in there. Really fast process. This is a big thing. I just wanna be transparent with the product and a lot of you that follow it. I don't ignore those comments. I actually take them very seriously. This stuff is actually kind of it's actually a little upsetting to me. I like this to be as good as possible. I don't want anyone to feel like they ever get ripped off. And I did really want it to be the best product it can be. I created it for my father. I created it for lazy people who are not gonna wash it. So if a lazy person uses it, you're my intended target. I ain't gonna use it in order time. But then they go, I like Massbrite. I can just spritty, and it's all good. Thank you very much for watching. I will stop my rambling now. I want to thank all my new Patreon supporters, all my YouTube members, Anyone who leaves donations on PayPal, I appreciate every positive, even negative comment I get in the comment section, so long as you're not a dick about it. I like constructive criticism, not destructive criticism. You know what I mean? Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it very much. Bye. Why does your mask smell like my feet? Pick up some Maskbrite today. Thank you to all watching, but an extra thick thanks, buddy, to Doug Toombs, Jason Georgiades, Matthew Lilly, Mona Swearingen, Chung Chu Chen, Patricia Espelong, Ray Troutman, Sarvesh Joshi, and Stuart Hetherington, as well as a big thank you to all my other Patreon supporters and YouTube members. Little tiny thanks, buddy, for you guys.